Hi friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. Today in this video how to convert SQL query to Power BI DAX we'll see. So I got a real-time task here. So this is a SQL query. So it is an example of case 1 and in this query is doing taking the difference of two columns. If the difference of two columns lies in 1 or 2, that means if the difference of two columns is either 1 or 2, then add all those rows. Okay, so is basically written a SQL query to find the number of rows which are having the difference between these column values as 1 or 2. Okay, then he is taking the sum, means number of rows of difference equal to 1 or 2. Let's solve this in the DAX. Let's open Power BI. Okay, so here I have written a calculated column first. So in calculated column, first I have taken this column and this column. These are the given columns. If the difference between this column and this column in 1 and 2, then I am taking value 1 or I am taking value 0. Okay, so I have written a simple if. Okay, using calculated column I have written a simple if where difference is lying in 1 or 2, then 1 or else 2. For example, here 5 3 difference is 2, so 1. Here difference is 1, so value is 1. Okay, so like that, here difference is 2, so value is called 1. Okay guys, so like that I have written a if condition. Then I have written a second measure to sum all that column values. Okay, so in two steps you can convert the SQL query to DAX like this. So here also in SQL also in is there, and a Power BI DAX also in is there. So in format is like with curved brackets we have to use. Okay, so using that in I have tabulated first calculated column, name column. After that I sum up the all values get to get the sum. Okay, number of rows having the difference 1 or 2, so 7 is the correct answer. So in some cases when you are using the direct query, you don't have the calculated column feature in direct query. You have to write only measures. Okay, so in that case I have written measure to calculate the sum of the rows which are having difference 1 or 2. So in that first I have written a measure here. Okay, in measure we have to use the aggregation, so sum of this column minus sum of this column in 1 or 2, then 1, otherwise 0. Okay, first I have written a measure like this. Okay, then I have written a second measure. Okay, second measure to first filter out this entire table. Okay, filter out this table with the measure equal to 1 filter. So wherever measure equal to 1, I am filtering those values and making a mini table. Okay, after making a mini table using calculated table, then I am taking the count rows, then I will get the 7 like this. Okay guys, so it is using the measures only, no calculated column, because in direct query you cannot use the calculated column. So using the measures you can write like this. First make a mini table from the main table using the filter. Okay, once you get the mini table, then count rows, then wherever 1 is there, all those rows will come. So that is nothing but summing all ones. Okay, sum of the rows which are having the difference 1 or 2. Okay guys, hope you understand this video, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi tutorials for more real-time tasks, more conversion from SQL query to Power BI. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.